माय नेम इज़ मोहम्मद उमैर अहमद। आज मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा काइंड्स ऑफ बैंक। व्हाट आर द काइंड्स ऑफ बैंक इन पाकिस्तान? अकॉर्डिंग टू registration, scheduled bank, non-scheduled bank. Scheduled bank are those banks which are registered in the list of central bank. For example, HBL, UBL, ABL. Non-scheduled bank are those banks which are not registered in the list of central bank. Sindh Cooperative, Sindh Provincial Bank. According to ownership, government bank, private bank. Government banks are those banks which are owned and controlled by the government of any country. For example, central bank. As we know, our central bank is State Bank of Pakistan. Private banks. These are the banks which are owned and controlled by the public of any country. According to domicile, foreign bank, home bank. Foreign bank are those banks which are not owned and controlled by the people of and government of that country in which they provided their banking services. In Pakistan, the City Bank, Al Baraka Bank, the Industrial and Development Bank of China, the Bank of Tokyo, Pakistan. Home banks. These are the banks which are established and controlled and owned by the people and government of that country in which they provided their banking services. Money Creative Bank, Central Bank, Commercial Bank. As every civilized country has its own central bank to monitor the monetary policy of its currency in internal as well as external. As we know, our central bank is State Bank of Pakistan, which was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Commercial bank. These are the banks which are owned and controlled by the people of that country. Development bank. In Pakistan, there are following development bank. Industrial Development Bank. These are the banks which are established to promote the industrial sector of the country. Agriculture Development Bank. These are the banks which are established to develop the agriculture sector of the country. Regional Development Bank. These are the banks which are established to promote and give finance to particular region of the world. International Development Bank. These banks are formed to provide finance to all the countries of the world. Next one is, according to incorporation, statutory bank. These banks are established by the order of the President and the order of Parliament or Legislative Assembly of any country. As in Pakistan, central bank is formed under this situation. Chartered bank. These are the banks which are established by the order of royal family. Chartered Bank of England. Functions bank. According to functions, kinds of bank. Mortgage bank. These banks are established to give finance and loan against the movable and immovable property of the people. For example, Mortgage Bank of Australia, Mortgage Bank of Spain. Consumer bank. These banks are established to provide finance to consumer. Saving bank. These banks are established to encourage and collect the saving of poor and middle class people. Is exchange bank. Exchange bank. These are the banks which provide exchange services to the exporter and importer of any country. They convert home currency into foreign currency and foreign currency into home currency. According to other banks, School Bank, Labour Bank, Consortium Bank, Islamic Bank.